Please all stand for our prayer. May I request who wants to lead the prayer? Amen. Good morning, class. So before you take your seat, pick up the pieces of equipment under a chair and arrange your chair properly. So before we start, who is the absent today? Okay. So before we start, we have a classroom rules. So everyone needs to follow these rules. So number one, be respect and kind, polite and considerate of others. Number two, raise your hand if you want to answer. Number three, listen to the teacher's instruction and be attentive all the time. Number four is put in your best effort and complete your work. So please guide it rules. So is that clear? Okay. So what was our topic yesterday? May I request? Very good. So our topic yesterday is antiderivative. So what is the formula of antiderivative? Okay, very good. So, okay, very good. You can still remember our topic at last meeting. So we have a new topic. We have a new topic today. So before I present our topic, so we have objectives. So objectives. At the end of the lesson, 75% of the students are expected to A. Define derivative, B. Apply the definition of derivative, and C. Enumerate and perform the step in finding the derivative of a function. So, is that clear? Okay. So before we start our discuss, I'll present to you the activity 1. So activity 1 is missing letter. So I will group you into 3 groups, and each group I'll provide the answer sheet to answer the activity. Okay, you have 5 minutes to answer the activity. Are you done? Okay. So the answer of the number 1 is, may I request? Correct. That is integral. So number 2, who wants to answer? Okay. That's correct. The answer number 2 is rule. Number 3, who wants to answer? Okay, correct. The number 3 is steps. So number 4, may I request? Okay. Step correct. Excellent. So the Answer number 4 is quantity. So the last number is, what's the answer? Okay, the answer number 5 is function. So all the groups is very good. So give the barangay claps. So next is our activity 2. So we have activity 2. The answer is so we have the activity 2. So we have activity 2 is complete me. So using the words you have the unlock from the previous activity, complete the sentence by putting the appropriate words in the block. So you still in your group to answer this, fill the blank. So blank is the process of blank, the blank of the change of a blank with respect to others. So we have words to put the answer of the board. So this group 1, this group 2. So you have a 5 minutes to answer. Okay, are you done? So, we answer this activity. So, what is the answer of the first in the blank? May I request? Okay, very good. It's the right active. So, the answer. So, the second one is what? Okay, very good. So the answer is finding. So the third one is, may I request? Rate. Very good. The answer is rate. So the fourth is what? Very good. Quantity. And the last one is another quantity. So correct. All the groups is correct. So how did you finding the words? Okay. So the answer of the the answer of the activity is derivative, the process of finding the rate of change in quantity respect to another quantity. So, did, uh, let you guess what is our topic today? May I request? So very good. Our topic today is derivative. So derivative. Our topic today is derivative. So our topic today is derivative. So derivative is derivative is the process of the finding of the rate change to quantity in respect to another. So the formula of the derivative is dx over dx one parenthesis x n equals nx over n minus 1. So this is a formula of derivative. So for example is find the d over dx quantity x x over 9 of a quantity. So the dx you put the dx or you put the d over x and the quantity of x9, the quantity equals you substitute the x9. So you substitute to 9x. So 9x over, so 9x is 9 over 9 minus 1. So the 9, so you put the 9x and you minus 1 the 9. So the answer is 8. So the correct answer is 9x over 8. So another example. Another example is another example, dx d over x quantity of k quantity equals 0. So the d is so the k is the value of 0. That's why the answer is 0. So dx over d over dx quantity of x quantity equals 1 because the x is there's value of 1. So the dx so dx over d over dx quantity of x over 6 quantity equals 6x over 6 minus 1. So that's why this first result, because our formula is, so the 6 is, you put 6 in here to here, and the x is you put this, you put this. So the answer is 6 times over 5, because the 6 is minus 1. That's why the answer is, the over of the x is 5. So find the, so we have so answer the answer this. Find the d over dx, quantity of x for quantity equals. So may I request wants to answer? Can you? Are done? Okay. The answer of d over x, quantity of x for equals, the answer is 4x third. Correct. So very good. So next is I will group you into 3. So we have a collaborate learning, so solving activities. I will group you into 2. So each group I provided the bond paper to answer the problem. So you have a 5 minutes to answer. So we have our rubrics solving. Criteria, mathematical concept of accuracy of 50%. So the group has a produce and the output with the low error. All the important concepts are presented therein. So you have 15 points. So the group has given one incorrect answer or the miss some the important points about the concept is you have a 14 points. So the group has given two or the more incorrect answer or has not presented to the correct concept, you have a 13 points. So the cooperation and discipline, you have a 30 points. All the members of the group have a participate activity. So you have a 7.5 points. And one member, the group has not participate in the group activity, so you have a 7 points. And only leader has displayed the interest in doing the group activity, you have a 6.5. So timeliness, timeliness 5 minutes, you have a 20 points. So finish on the or before the given time, you have a 4.5. So finish 1 to 2 minutes after the given time is you have a 4.2. So finish the 3 minutes or more after a given time is you have a 3.9 points. So you have a you have a 30 points all the you have a 30 points to guide these rubrics. Are you done? Okay. The answer of your group 1 is correct. So the answer of group 1 is correct. So the problem is d over dx, quantity of pi, quantity by equals 5x over 5 minus 1 is 5x 5x over 4. So the answer number 2 is correct. So the answer is 7x over so x over x. So dx, quantity of x9 is, the answer is 9x over 8. So very good, group 1. So next is group 2. the answer of the group 2 is all correct. So, the answer of first problem is 4x, oh, 4x is over 3. So, the answer on the second problem is 16 times 16 x over 15. So the answer of third, the last is 10x9. So correct. All the group is excellent. Give the five claps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The criteria of group 1 is you have a 15 points. So the group 1 is you have a 14 points, and the group 13 is you have a group 1 is you have a 30 points. So you have a the total is 30 points. So the group 2 is you have a 30 points too. So very good. So we have a activity to answer this problem. So direction is write the letter of the correct answer on the space provided before each number. So you put the answer in the provided number. So you have a 5 minutes to answer this problem. Okay, you're done. You're already done. Okay. So the answer is number 1 is letter A, because the answer of the meaning of the derivatives is defined as the rate change in one quantity with respect to another. So number 2, which the following is the formula used the computing derivative. So the answer of number 2 is D. And number 3 is which is the correct answer of D over dx, quantity of x over quantity equals, as the answer is A. So what is called this symbol? So the symbol of C: A, complex; B, constant; C, circle; D, curve. So the correct answer is constant. What is the first result in this given? D over dx, quantity of x, for quantity of equals. What the answer is? The answer is B. So correct. Who's the perfect? Who's the perfect answer? Who's the perfect correct? Very good. So we have assignment to pass this tomorrow. Assignment, show your solution. So dx over dx, quantity of x11, quantity. This is a first problem. So show the solution if you give the answer to me. So d over dx, quantity of x over quantity. So it's a second question. So pass this. So pass this activity tomorrow. So that would all. So hopefully you have understand my topic today, and thank you. That would all.